My name is Juble Jones. I'm the foreman for the hand fabrication crew here at the Timberlab Northwest. Specific situations that have shaped our practices, we're always learning. We're still a new company, 5 years and running now. And the product we make is getting better and better and better every project we make. So the PDX, Portland International Airport, and the amount of data that we logged about the moisture content for that specific project was the extreme end. So I wasn't involved with that per se, but I've heard the stories of what they were doing for those particular parts. And these were massive billets, huge beams. I couldn't quote the exact size because they're massive. If you're ever in the Portland International Airport, you look up and you see that sky, that roof that's in there, and just managing that wood from through multiple winters, it was really important that they took great care to make sure those parts didn't get shot. And they did a great job. Our install team did the most amazing job that they could. And that meant probing every single lamination line. I believe from what I heard, they would map out a beam, and on each lamination line, they would check the moisture for each of those laminations. They would record it and do it in multiple locations along the length of that beam. And they would do that process at multiple times throughout the process of installation so that they could see what was happening. What's happening to the beams? How are they drying out? How are they managing the content? It's all about managing that moisture, keeping the part stable. So that's what we do here. Here at the facility, we're fortunate in that we're a covered roof and we maintain a standard ambient temperature. We never let things freeze here. It's always a comfortable place to work and keeps our wood dry and stable. So that's what we've learned is just to take great care of our materials. We don't leave them out in the weather. It's really important to be mindful of what conditions we have our parts in the environment.